Hello everyone, welcome to join this wonderful workshop held by Nanhua University and IMUTL. My name is Yejiao Ye and I am the professor in the Department of Natural Biotechnology of Nanhua University. And in this lesson, I'm going to introduce you the food diversity in Taiwan and Thailand. In this lesson, you will get many ideas about the differences between Taiwan and Thailand. You can visit the traditional market, night market, and supermarket, follow with my lecture. And most importantly, I hope you all can figure out what is the role of food in sustainable and make an action plan to change your community. In this video, that everyone you can think about how far from Taiwan and Chiang Mai. The distance between Taiwan and Chiang Mai is about 2,500 kilometers. It takes about a 4-hour flight. Do you know where is Nanhua University? Let me tell you. Nanhua University is located in southern Taiwan, and there are more than 50,000 students, including 10% international students from different countries. Yeah, as you can see in this slide, you can see very, very beautiful campus named as Green University of the World. And Nanhua University, located in small town area we call Darling Slow City. It joined Global Slow Movement and won the CETA Slow International in 2016. Yeah, now let's go to Chiang Mai with me. Go! Here we are. This is the Royal Project restaurant close to RMUTL. Do you know what is RMUTL? I know the Thai student you know, right? But Taiwanese student you didn't know. Let me tell you. The whole name of RMUTL is Ramajakkala University of Technology, Nara. And Nanhua University has signed the MOU with RMUTL in 2015. In 2019, we visit RMUTL again for creating cooperation in students' learning and community service. I like Chiang Mai very much. Yes, the most thing that attracts me to Chiang Mai is food. Taiwanese food also makes me have every happy day. You can find different delicious food, not only in big city, but also in small town in Taiwan. Some food only prepared during special holiday or festival. For example, stir-fried pork intestine with shredded ginger is most famous Hakka dish you have to try. So another pork rib soup with bamboo is also very popular in southern Taiwan. I know that must make your mouth water. Take a deep breath. Think about what the differences of food culture between Taiwan and Thailand. Let's move to Chiang Mai again. Can you think about what the value of local traditional market? Let me tell you. One, the traditional market play important role for provision of social-cultural interaction among city residents. And second, we can buy different kinds of meat, vegetable, fruit, traditional handicraft, and agrarian products of the small farmer in the hinterland. And it can create job and opportunity for migrant and lower class, and also provide need of city population as affordable price. And lastly, the existence of traditional market are strongly related to the traditional way of life. So it's the importance of the traditional market. So you must be very interested in finding some special food in Chiang Mai's traditional market, right? Let's watch the video now.
他们的那个样式也很多，
大家可以猜得出来这个是什么吗？烤香蕉。
便宜。要看季节啊，这个30年看季节。对啊。
In the traditional market, you can find a different kind of dry vegetable over there. And in this figure, you can find this is the famous floating market in Bangkok. You can buy food from vendor in wooden boat, and you also can find various spices in traditional market. Now, please follow me to visit the traditional market in Chiayi County in Taiwan. So here in Taiwan, you can buy fresh seafood and vegetable very close to your community. You know that many people usually go to the traditional market every day. They not only buy their daily supply, but also improve relationship with others, just like the photo. And interestingly, some temples are very close to the traditional market. And they will prepare so many kind of the special food to celebrate the goddess' birthday. And they also will prepare that food for the people that can show to others. Sometimes it will have special food festival to attract the visitor. Just like the photo shows the Taitung Slow Food Festival. I know the traditional market is not the good place you like to go for you young people. But however, I know night market is popular for you, right? So let me tell you, some researchers indicated that the atmosphere of night market is usually crowded and noisy with hawkers shouting and fast-paced music playing over the loudspeaker. And Taiwanese night market are street market that operate in urban or suburban area between sunset and sunrise. And you also can find a street night market in Chiayi, let me tell you. One is Wenhua Road Night Market, and Dalian Night Market, and the Caraval Night Market. And I also know there are 3 best night market in Chiang Mai. One is the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, and Sunday Walking Street, and Walla Walking Street, right? Do you know where is it? Yeah, this is the street vendor close to Maya Life Shopping Center in downtown area of Chiang Mai. Want to go with me? Okay, and this is the night market in Bangkok. Very famous. Let's see the video. Yeah, this is Dalian Night Market in Taiwan. Come here, right? You can eat various food as long as you can eat. For example, this is Thai banana pancake, Thai iced tea, barbecue, hot dog. Wow, I really hope you can come to Taiwan and our students can go to Chiang Mai in the near future. Lastly, I want to discuss the role of supermarket. Supermarket typically has places for fresh meat, fresh produce, dairy item, bagged goods, etc. The supermarket usually situated near a residential area in order to be convenient to consumers. A supermarket typically are chain store supplied by the distribution center of their parent company, for example, the PX Mart or the Carrefour, thus increasing the opportunity for economic of scale. And finally, some supermarkets are focusing on selling more organically certified produce. Yeah, as you can see, this is the central food hall in Chiang Mai. It's very popular place. Just below that, the department store. And this is the organic market in Chiang Mai Airport, very small supermarket. And this is the biggest supermarket chain in Taiwan, the PX Mart. Everyone knows that. And you can buy the organic or certificated fruit or food over there. And most importantly, you can trace the food back to their sources by scanning the QR code. Just like the picture, just like the cucumber and the corn. In Thailand, you also can buy the certified organic food by recognizing their logo too. So on your left-hand side, in this picture, you can find the 6 different logos representing the different qualified food. For example, that meat, vegetable, milk, or healthy food. And the right-hand side picture is the product description of Thai food. You can find here. And there are some Taiwanese organic products you can find here. And this is the organic egg toward the animal welfare doer. It's very, very, very good, and you can find this organic egg. If you want to learn more about the traceable organic food, please subscribe to my YouTube channel about the slow food and slow living. You also can learn more about that organic logo or other example to know that what is the slow movement. And finally, I hope you can think about the aforementioned question. Can fast food and convenience store change the food culture of our life? So you can think about it. So what is the fast food? For example, the McDonald's or KFC. And what is the convenience store? You know the 7-Eleven, right? Or other convenience store. Okay. So I hope you can go together with us and make our food sustainable. Thank you for joining my lesson. Okay, Professor Ye, hope you have a good time in this design thinking held by Nenhua University, and I'm UTL. And I also hope you can have an action plan and do something for your community and for your country. Bye-bye, see you.